Hello guys, welcome to this video. I'll be going straight to the point without wasting too much time. So this video will be straightforward, and the purpose of this video, I was just trying to show you how to spot good tokens, during this next bull run, on how to make 3x, 10x, 50x. You see, like for example, you can see this coin is 19,000%, 33,000%, 75,000% now. So good. I'll be teaching you how to spot these tokens. How to spot these tokens, make probably 5x from them, 10x from them, and sharpen out, ape out. For some tokens, like what I mean, tokens like Pepe, Bonk, all those tokens. So today I'll just show you how to do. And you can see these days, for those that have been following the crypto market very well, a lot of hypes have been on the Solana blockchain. But for someone like me, I wouldn't want to go with the hype. I wouldn't want to go with the hype. You understand? Because I feel like a lot of people will be exit liquidity for all those people following hypes. All these hypes that's coming in these days. A lot of people will be exit liquidity, which you're going to use to pump the good tokens. So I'll advise you, if you do not instead of following all this hype on Solana, all this stuff, you just go get some good tokens good tokens that have good utility, and just buy into them and hold. Good tokens with utility, not just utility, that have good track record. Good track record. For if you've been in the crypto market, during the last bull run of 2021, from October, November, December, during that bull run, there were some tokens that had a very good track record, 2,000%, 3,000%, and that was just a minor bull run. And this coming bull run that we're expecting, like, it's going to be so massive, it's going to be the biggest of all bull run. So I'll just advise you, instead of going for all these hypes, all this Solana stuff, and all these hypes going up, the bubble will soon die off. So just get good tokens and just stick to them. You understand? You can get good tokens and stick to them. You understand the point? And why am I saying this? You see, some of these tokens, before you even get to know about them, they're already up like 18,000%. And you might decide to say, oh, okay, let me just ape in a little bit, ape in and out, and then you might just ape in, and then you find out that you're exit liquidity. So the sole purpose of this video is just guide you through how to, maybe if you want to follow hype and all the stuff, you want to ape into a project that's young and healthy, has purpose, has a future. This is how you screen those projects. You understand the point? You screen the project, look at the project, and then ape in, and then your whole research will guide you on how long you should hold the project for. You understand the whole point? Okay, so without wasting much of our time, without talking too much, I'll just go straight to the point. So your first friend, when you're dealing with this kind of stuff, you need to have Dex Screener. You need to be a good friend of Dex Screener. Okay, and Dex Screener, what it does is screen all those chains and everything. So the first thing you need to do, you just go to new pairs. So under the new pairs, we see all chain. Now this selection is under all chain. So you can see Solana, Ethereum, Base, BSC, Arbitrum, Avalanche, and Polygon, and so on and so on. But for this sole purpose, the best coins, the good coins, the most profitable, or should I say the most legit, certainly not scam tokens or project, are going to be under Ethereum Base. You understand the points? Are going to be under Ethereum Base, and then I'll explain. Alright, so I think I should have a whiteboard. Hold on. Alright, sorry guys, I just paused the video for a while just to get the whiteboard set up. Okay? So like I was saying, like, yeah, you don't have to follow all the hypes and everything. Well, I would say that, like, yeah, a lot of scammers, right? A lot of scam projects are under, let's say, you hardly, let's say 25% of all the scam projects probably, or maybe 30%, are under Ethereum Base. And you can see most of those chains with lesser gas fees have like up to 80% of all up to 80% of all scam projects. Do you understand? And I'll explain why. Okay. Now, why do most of those platform chains with lesser gas fee have 80% of all scam projects, right? Now, because as an investor, if you're trying to buy into a token, you always look at the gas fee. I'm so sorry, my bad. Like using the whole whiteboard this is my first time of using whiteboard. So please, maybe probably in my next videos, I'll definitely improve from using it, or I could just suspend using the whiteboard for now. But I'm just trying to make sure everybody gets the whole concept of this gas fee and why most scam projects are under lower gas fee chains. You understand? So for example, if you're trying to buy a project under Ethereum base, you might end up spending like $30 as gas fee, and then after spending to buy it, and then when you're trying to sell it, you end up spending almost 30 USDT too, you know, to sell it. So in total, you spent 60 USD. You spent 60 USDT in doing transaction on that token. Do you understand the whole point? Now, there are a lot of lower, investors out there. They are just trying to make money. Probably see if they can turn in their little $20 into maybe $2,000 or into $200 and so on. You understand your point? So you see, going into this kind of project will be so hilarious and bad for them, because their money, their investment is not even enough to cover up the gas fees. So you see, most investors will always want to stay away from such kind of project, and unknowing to them that these are the projects that are way legit. You understand your point? And what scammers do, they take advantage of all this kind of situation, and then they bring in scam tokens on that chains that only the gas fees are so low. For example, let's say we're dealing with BSC chain. BSC, that's Binance Smart Contract chain. You might end up maybe spending up to maybe $2 on a transaction, or even less than $2 trying to make a transaction. So you see, for an investor that has, let's say, $20 to spare in a transaction, you see, he's spending less than $2 on gas fee just to buy a project that he's looking forward to turning his $20 into like $2,000 or $200. You see, this is a good bargain for them. You understand? And that's why you see most of those chain with lower gas fees have 80% or probably 60% scam. Yeah, 60% scam. You understand? So well, today I'll just teach you how to streamline everything. Even if you're trying to get a token under most of these chains that the gas fees are so low and everything, how to know which token is a scam token, which one you should avoid, which one you should most likely go into and make a lot of money from. So the first thing we need to do, like I said, let's go to the new pairs. Under new pairs, now this new pairs, we're trying to see all the pairs that are created within a certain period of time, so we can now select the period, the age. You can see under this, you can see this filter, it's age. So we can select. Now these tokens that we're trying to look for, are they less than 30 days old, less than 7 days old, less than 3 days old, and so on. So let's just go for, let's say, tokens that are less than 30 days old. You understand your point? Tokens that are less than 30 days old, and we can just make it under Ethereum. Let's go for Ethereum base. Why not? So Ethereum based tokens that are under 30 days, that were created under 30 days. Now, once you do that, you don't just go and just start buying some that they are seeing. Probably you see some that are doing. Look at this 467k%. No, you don't just go and buy into those kind of tokens or 21,000%. No, you don't do that. So we'll streamline it right now. So the first thing you need to do, when you get the age of the token, right? Let's start with the age. This is 1 month ago. The next thing you need to look at is the buys and the sells. Are people buying into that token, and are people still selling in that token? After that, we look at the volume, right? Okay, well, 156K, the total volume of buy and sell. Then one of the most important things you have to look at, you have to look at the markers. And what are the markers? You see, these are unique wallets that bought or sold this pair. Unique people that are unique wallet that just keep buying, wallet that are unique, different wallets that just keep buying, and selling this project. We have total of 56 unique wallets. Do you understand the point? So you see, out of these 47 buys and 26 sales, we have 56 unique wallets. Do you understand the point? So if we have 56 unique wallets, we still have like about 17 wallets that are not unique. You understand? Possibly it might be might be the holders of the token, or maybe the creator of the token that are just buying and selling just to create volume. You understand the point? So after we check the markers, we have these 50 markers. The next thing we need to check is the liquidity. What is the liquidity? The ability for you to buy and sell the token with ease. Yeah, it's very important. We cannot overemphasize on this. You have to check the liquidity of that token. You see, this liquidity is very important. So you don't buy a token. Let's say you don't buy a token with $100. Let's go back to the whiteboard. So you don't buy a token with, let's say, $100, and then the token goes up to, let's say, $250. So you made a profit of, let's say, $150 profit, right? Well, 150 bar. So what happens is, like, that liquidity, why liquidity is very important. So when you're trying to sell this token, you don't end up having probably $50 in your account. As you see, you end up in loss. There are some tokens like that. You buy with $100, you make a profit of $250, and when you're trying to sell, after you sell, because of the price impact and the low liquidity of the market, you end up having just $50 in your account, which means you've lost 200. You lost 200, which is so bad. It's so bad. Those are not tokens that you want to go into. Those are really bad tokens. You understand? So that's what I'm saying. Like, yeah, liquidity cannot be overemphasized. Liquidity cannot be overemphasized. So you have to make sure we have good liquidity. We have high liquidity in the market. And when I'm talking about high liquidity in the market, I'm talking about liquidity from $1 million plus. The next thing we need to look at is the market cap. Fully diluted valuation. And what is market cap? Market cap of a token, MC, right, is equals to circulating supply multiplied by price per token, right? So for example, let's say there's a token out there with, let's say, 1 million supply, right? And the price of each of this token is 0.0005 USD per token, per one of this token. So the market cap of this, the market cap valuation of this token that we're talking about is going to be price per each of the token multiplied by what? The total circulating supply of the token. So when we have that, we'll multiply this by this. We have 1, 2, 3. And we'll do that again. We have 1, 2, 3. So we're going to have I'm going to have 5,000. Let me confirm. So we are going to have 1 million multiplied by 0.0005. Good. We have 500. The market cap will be what? $500. That will be the market cap. $500. That's the market cap. Do you understand? So basically, the circulating supply multiplied by each price of a token. But you see, you can hardly see tokens with very low circulating supply and having a price per one as such. You understand? Because so most of the times when you see tokens like that, let's see MC, you see the price per one usually goes, we'll start from, maybe you can see $5 or maybe $20 and so on. So when we have that, we can just say $20 multiplied by 1 million, right? That will give us 20 million as the what? Market cap. That will give us 20 million as the market cap of that token. Understood? So we can see and if you're trying to ape into this kind of good project, you have to make sure you're looking for projects that have market cap maybe less than 10 million. Do you understand the point? And probably when it gets to 15 million, you take profits, you TP, and you're out. Okay? So market cap is very important. Market cap is very important. Your market cap, your liquidity, and then your markers is very important. Your makers is very important. It's very important. So first of all, what do? When we streamline all the new token by age less than 30 days, and then we'll have to add liquidity, let's say liquidity greater than 1 million. Of course, why not? We want liquidity to be greater than 1 million. The first thing we need to do is, after having that, let's just click on the markers. And when you click on the markers, you're trying to say, okay, give me the markers with unique wallet buying and selling from the most to the least. Okay, so we're having from the most to the least. So these are, we have using this coin DAI, we have 2,446 unique wallet buying and selling this token. And this is liquidity. This is the liquidity of this token right now. We have a liquidity of 10.4 million US dollars, and then we have a market cap of 681 million US dollars. You understand it? So now, like I said about the market cap, want to know more about this token, right? We can just right click, go through the whole token. We're just trying to screen this whole. Normally, like, I wouldn't even advise you to buy a token like here with probably 69 million market cap and all those things. Well, depending on the roadmap of the token, it depends on the utility and the plan for the token. You understand the whole point? So you don't just buy when and just be an exit liquidity. How many tokens do we have in circulation? Let's see. Okay, we have some issues. We have some issues with this token. Well, we're going to screen it and see the kind of issues we have with this token. So let's go to the Explorer. Ethereum Beast. I can just copy the wallet, go to Etherscan, put it here, and scan the wallet, the smart contract. Good. The smart contract is out. This is the token, right? This is the smart contract of the token. Let's check the creator. This is the creator address of the token. This is the ETH value of the Ethereum, of the creator's wallet and everything. So the 01, we have 1 billion token in circulation. So if we have 1 billion token in circulation, right, we're trying to get the market cap of it. We'll just multiply this 1 billion by the price of each token, which is 67. And then when we do that, it's going to give us the market cap, which is 68.7 million market cap. All right. So well, that market cap is too high, so we can now come down and then adjust. Well, since we're more concerned with the markers, right, we can just keep going down and keep checking and keep checking and keep checking. Let me. Markers, okay. They want to go down to tokens with more markers and then lower market cap. We can see now the highest here over the last 30 days is 2,428, and then it just keeps going down. We keep reducing it, so we don't want that. We don't want to. When we go down, we'll see. We'll find out that we only have a contract added with just one maker, sorry, 2.6 liquidity, but it's not a good token. Only one person? No, it's one person is buying 20 times. You see, this is not a smart investment. This is not a smart investment. You might buy into this token and then you find out that they just keep removing the liquidity of the token and everything. So let's go back and streamline this whole stuff, and let's go back and see under the past let's say 12 hours ago. We'll try to get the token less than 12 hours ago. None. Okay. 24 hours ago. Okay, less than 24 hours ago. We have that just with one maker. Now we don't want that. 20 bytes. We don't want that. Now, after doing our research, we find out like yeah, the under Ethereum chain, we can't see any reasonable token that you want to ape in and out from. You can just go under BSC scan. So under the BSC scan, right? The past less than 24 hours ago, we have a token with 3,000 makers. Liquidity is this, and look at the market cap. This is it. Let's open it and let's do some more research about this token and see what we have. All right. We have a market cap of 3.5 billion. Okay, good. It's a no good place. This is not kind of token that you want to go into. Come on, no. 3.5 billion market cap, roughly 3.6 billion market cap. You don't want to go into that kind of token, so we'll just skip that, and then we'll go. We'll have to now start streamlining. Probably, let's say market liquidity. Let's have a liquidity over 100k. Since we're just trying to ape in and out, we're trying to have liquidity over 100k. So with the most markers, let me adjust this again. Cool. We have ARC 1.9 million, and then we have 213 market cap. We have 1,800 unique people buying the tokens. You understand the point? Well, this is not a bad idea. This is not a bad token. This is not bad. This is something that you can go into. And we have one we call it's called Big Pump. 1,133 unique wallet buying the token, and this token was created less than 24 hours ago. Look at the liquidity, 3,301 3,331k, and the market cap 1.7 million. You can buy this token and sell off when the market cap gets to 5 million, depending on your risks. Don't forget, when you're trying to buy into those tokens, always buy with what you can afford to lose. When you know that when the project crashes, you won't get hurt. So that's just what you do. And then when there's profit, it's a win for you. Always do that. Always do that. All right, so we can keep going and keep screening all these tokens. Keep screening all these tokens. We can see 572 created 13 hours ago. Look at the market cap 2.2. Good. So this big pump token, I'm more interested in this token, right? And it's under the BSC scan smart chain. So I want to go through it and understand what's going on with the token, what's happening. I want to know the number of holders in the token and everything. Okay, so you can see the buys coming in. All right, so look at the market cap, 1.7 million market cap. You can buy this token, sleep, wake up, and maybe sell off at probably, let's say, 5 million. You can set an alert. You understand the point? You can set an alert. So you can see the price per token is 0.0600000 and so on. You understand the point? So the first thing we need to do was to go and check the Explorer. We'll check the Explorer. And we're checking the Explorer, and we're trying to know the total supply of the token. We're trying to know the unique holders of the token and everything. And we're trying to read the smart contract too, and make sure that this is what this token we're buying is not a honeypot. You understand? Maybe probably some people were like, oh, they're just hearing honeypot for the first time, but they've been a victim of honeypot before. Well, honeypots are just tokens that you buy and you can't sell. And I'll get in detail in the next video. I'll make a video about honeypot alone, and I'll show you tokens out there in the market that are just honeypot. These are tokens that you just buy and you can't sell. So this is the market cap, right? We have 4 trillion tokens in circulation, and then we can just go to the holders. Want to know how many people are holding the tokens? Okay, good. All right, look at this token. Binance Hot Wallet 9 is even holding this token. Binance Hot Wallet. Oh my god, I should get into this token. Of course, I'm buying into this token right now. Binance Hot Wallet 12 is Binance. Oh my god, is holding this token. Just know for sure that this token is about to be listed on Binance very shortly. So I'm going to buy this token right now, and look at the market cap. The market cap is just 1.7 million, and I'm going to buy into this token right now. Okay, I'm buying into this token right now. Alright, where are we? Big Pump. The name of the token is Big Pump. You can see it. Look at the holders already. Binance Hot Wallet 9 is already holding the token. Binance Hot Wallet 12 is already holding the token. Do you understand the open? And this token was just created less than 12 hours ago. So if they are holding this token, just know that of course something great is going to come from this token. Do you understand? So what you can do to yourself right now, just get into the token and let's see what I'm trying to see. Look at it from this to what's this? They're holding the token really. I can see some more tokens that they are holding. And why this token is a key, is a token of interest, because like you can see multiple of their wallets, 12, they are holding this token. I don't know, they are just holding this token. Of course, this is a token that I would like to go into. You know, I would like to go into. I'll be buying this token right now. So I will just stop the video right now and then I will continue when I'm done buying this video. Let me do when I'm done buying.